functions behave as far as scope is concerned.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
Nested functions means when we have got a function, inner function in an outer function. For example, we have this outer function def, let the name be 1. Okay, here I am declaring, after indentation of course, I am defining a variable a is equal to 1000. Now I want to have an inner function, so I would write def2 colon. This is my inner function, or you can call nested function, or you can call nested function, and this one is 1 with the name 1 is outer function, or you can call it nesting function. Okay, so far so good. Now see, I have defined a local variable a with the value 1000 within the body of the function 1, and within the body of the function 1 is a nested function, inner function 2. Now I can access, when you will press enter, this indentation shows that you are going to write the statements for the inner function 2. Here if I happen to write print a is equal to plus str a, it won't be erroneous, it will print the value of 1000. Why? Because 2 function is nested within the 1 function. It can access the members of the 1 function, that is the outer function. Okay, so let me execute it and show it to you. I have removed the indentation, and this is the driver. At the driver, one thing more, 2 function will not be invoked automatically, will not be executed automatically. It has to be called from within the outer function, right? So here what I am doing is invoking the inner function, name of which is 2, right? So this is how the things will take place. Let me again make you have a look. This is our outer function 1, which has got definition of a variable a is equal to 1000 after indentation, and within the same indentation I have defined another function, inner function, with the name 2, and after indentation, extra indentation, I am writing print a str a. I am trying to print the value of variable a, which was defined in the function 2, in the function 1, sorry. See this statement carefully, check its indentation. Its indentation is with this def, its indentation is with alignment to this declaration of a, so that means it belongs to inner function or outer function. It belongs to outer function. So from what will happen is, when I will call one function, statement a is equal to 1000 will be executed. After that it will skip the body of this function 2 because it has not been called yet. Then after that the control will come to the calling of the function 2. When you will make a call, then control will go into this 2 function and this print statement will be executed. I hope you understand. Now remove this indentation, go to the driver, and here I would be calling the function 1. Here I am invoking the function, outer function, which of course outer function 1. Okay, let's execute the program. Control Shift F10. As you can see, a is equal to 1000. This statement is getting executed because inner function was able to access the variable declared in the outer function, right? So inner function can access the members of the outer function. So far so good. Now let's do one more thing. What I am going to do is, before calling 1, what I am going to do is I would write, say, b is equal to 900, because it has been declared in the last lecture. You have learned has been declared at the driver place, so it will be called global declaration. This variable b will be treated as the global variable. It can be accessed anywhere in the code. Global declaration of b. From within the function 1, if I happen to print b is equal to, this is my global variable, plus strb, there won't be any problem. It's okay. How come outer function 1 was able to access the variable b? Because declaration of b was global at the driver's place. Similarly, the inner function 2 would be in a position to access it. Yes. So in the inner function 2 also, I got the value of b printed. This 2 will be printed. It can be accessed, it can be used, it can be manipulated, it can be used in arithmetic calculations. I mean to say access. So it can be accessed anywhere in the code. Let's execute the program. Control Shift F10. Yeah, as you can see, b was accessed both in outer function as well as in the inner function.